I'm going to show you how to make money with YouTube Shorts using ChatGPT, and the best part is I'm going to show you how to do this in a niche where you don't have to show your face or use your own voice. Believe me when I say that this method is going to absolutely shock you because no one's talking about it on YouTube. I'm going to show you how to make these videos, but also how to come up with various topics by using ChatGPT and the power of AI technology. We will go over how to monetize these videos in multiple different ways. But before we start, welcome to That AI Ninja, the channel where we show you how to earn easy money by using the latest AI tech tools. Consider liking this video, subscribing, and hitting the notification button to stay informed if new and popular money-making techniques are posted. I'm sure you heard of YouTube Shorts' new feature? Well, now monetizing partners will be able to earn money from ads that are viewed between videos and Shorts feed. What does that mean? So YouTube is crushing the short video content. Now all the social media platforms won't be able to compete, and now you can monetize them and earn ad revenue on Shorts. Alright, so like I said, in this video I'm going to show you how to make money with YouTube Shorts using ChatGPT. And before we get started, I just want to show you the actual niche we're going to be using in this video, and some results. With the channel called Psychology Arcade, this is the channel and niche we're going to use as the channel. And the niche is basically like the psychology niche, and it's kind of like a fact-based short type channel. This channel has 235,000 subscribers, and as you can see, this channel was created just a year ago. They got almost 117 million video views during that time. Like, I could probably make 50 of these shorts in the time it takes me to make one video for my channel, you know what I mean? So you just have to be consistent and understand that you're not going to get these results overnight. But if you don't give up and you actually keep staying consistent over an extended period of time, results will come. Now that you understand what's truly possible with this type of stuff, the channel videos are right here. And I'll just give you one example, like right here, love fact. But like I said, we're going to do it. Before we use ChatGPT, let's open up a quick document for our script. Alright, let's go to ChatGPT, and once you're on here, you're going to sign up and then create your account. Alright, I already have an account, but that's what you're going to do if you don't have an account. And then I'm going to write me a psychological fact about love for the short video. So, as you can see, it gave us facts about love. Now we're just going to copy all of this. And then we're going to go back to our document and we can just paste it in there. And boom! Now we have these video scripts. The next part is to create the video. But before we actually make the video, I want to show you just one quick thing, because sometimes when you try to use ChatGPT, there are just so many people using it right now that you can't even log in or use it. So I want to show you an alternative. And this right here is actually vidIQ, which is a YouTube tool. And you can use this for tons of different things, like coming up with ideas, keywords, looking at your competitors, even videos watched by your subscribers, everything. But they have a new tool called the AI Coach right here. It's basically the same thing as ChatGPT, so let's see how that works. Yeah, there you go, and just like ChatGPT, there's different answers. Now, the tool that we're going to use in making our video is called InVideo.io. And they do have a free account that you can start out with, because with the free plan, you can't actually export the videos. But you can use the software for free once you've actually created your account. It makes it so easy. So all we're going to do here is we're just going to go to Create New up here, and then you're going to go to the editor and then go to Portrait right there. Now inside your video, all you do is this, which is literally so simple. You go to videos right here and then just type in something peaceful. You could use water, or you could just type in peaceful and literally see what pops up. So use something like this one, alright? So just click this plus sign to add it as a layer, and then add it, and then you just want to make it bigger, so it's the full size. And then you kind of want to center it wherever you want it to be on the screen. So let's check this out. Perfect. So now the next step is that you go right here to text and then just hit add a heading. You can add an animation effect, so now you're going to want to pick whatever fact you're going to make the video about. We'll just do the love facts for this first one, add the script, and cut them. You can also add background music, images, elements, templates, and a logo, so it's up to you guys what you want to add. So now that's your full video. Let's assume you have the paid account. What you want to do is click here to export, and you just hit export there. Okay, and now we'll come back when it's finished rendering. And what you want to do now is upload this output to our YouTube channel as a YouTube short. The next step is probably the most important thing because, again, that Psychology Arcade channel just isn't doing most of the people they're relying on for their YouTube channels any favors in terms of ad revenue. And before YouTube Shorts had ad revenue, this channel was probably selling shoutouts. You know how people sell shoutouts for different products on Instagram? You can now do that on YouTube as well. So I'm guessing that's how they made their money. And you can make quite a bit of money from that. The number one thing that people can make a lot of money with, and that can change your life, is affiliate marketing. And if you've never heard of this, basically how it works is that there's a product over here, and you basically partner with that product and you get a referral link. For this method, we're going to use a website called clickbank.com, which is basically a free affiliate marketplace with tons of different products on it. And like I said, it's completely free. So just make sure you click Start Here and create your account. I'm just going to log in quick because I already have an account. And by the way, if ClickBank is not available in your country, there are other marketplaces. One that I'd suggest is Digistore24. You could check that one out too. But basically, on the affiliate marketplace here, the thing I like about this niche is that if we go back here, we have love facts, so we can use different products for each type of fact, which is super cool, right? So if we go back here and we go to spirituality right here, click on that one, and you can see they have things like wealth manifestation, which is basically a make money type product, and then they have things like the soulmate sketch. This product is going to be much better for women than it would be for men, right? So definitely, this is going to be a great one for our video. And all you do to get your affiliate link so you can make money is click right here and promote, and then all you do is hit create hop link. And right here we have an affiliate link. Okay, so just copy this link, but we're not done yet. Alright, you've got to go to this website called bit.ly.com, and all you do is scroll down here, paste in your link, and hit shorten. So now this long link right here has turned into this nice short link, which is much better, and people are going to click on it more often. Okay, so now we're going to copy this and then go back to the Psychology Arcade channel and create a comment, or go to our video we uploaded to Shorts. And what you want to say is you could say something like, need help finding your soulmate? You've got to check this out, something like that. Feel free to change it up. And then you just paste in your link there and hit the comment. So when someone goes to look at the comments for your video, which 90% of people do, they're going to see that, and if they're interested in finding their soulmate, they're going to click that, and you can make money. And with that product, I believe it was $1.21 per sale you could make, and you could make some recurring commissions. So definitely take advantage of this short form craze. I mean, I think it was like a post the other day that said like 80% of internet usage right now is short form content, which is insane. You definitely want to take advantage of this while it's still early. The best part is that with this type of channel, like those videos recreated in video, you can literally now just duplicate it, change out the background video and the text, and make these in seconds. This stuff is simple. I hope you take action. Leave me a comment to let me know what you think. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you again very soon.